Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Biochemistry Concepts. Causes of DNA damage. It is because of mismatch of bases during replication, spontaneous deamination, physical agents, and chemical agents. Types of DNA damage. It includes single base alterations, two base alteration, chain breaks, and cross linkage. Single base alteration includes depurination, deamination, alkylation of base, and base analog incorporation. Depurination is loss of purine bases from DNA. Deamination. The deaminating agents, particularly nitrous acid and the compounds that can be metabolized to nitrous acid or nitrase, they convert amino groups to keto groups by oxidative deamination. So this results in conversion of cytosine to uracil, adenine to hypoxanthine, and guanine to xanthine. Alkylating agents, they can cause chemical alterations in the bases so that the base pairing is changed. For example, dimethyl sulfate. It can cause methylation of a guanine residue to yield 6-methyl guanine, which cannot base pair with cytosine of the complementary strand. Base analogs, they can get incorporated into DNA in place of a normal base. Some base analogs inhibit replication, whereas some base analogs like bromouracil, which are analogs to thymine, they pair with thymine and cause mispairing. UV light induced thymine-thymine dimer and bifunctional alkylating agent cross-linkage are included under two base alteration. UV radiations with a wavelength of 200 to 400 nanometers from the sunlight or from tanning lamps, they induce dimerization of adjacent pyrimidines, particularly adjacent thymines, along one strand of the DNA to form pyrimidine dimers. This distorts the structure of DNA, inhibits transcription, and disrupts the replication. Alkylating agents are also capable of cross-linking the bases in the same or opposite strand. Chain breaks includes ionizing radiation, radioactive disintegration of backbone elements, oxidative free radical formation. Ionizing radiations, including X-rays and radioactive decay, have sufficient energy to displace electrons from their orbitals, creating highly reactive intermediates. So these highly reactive intermediates, they can react with DNA bases to cause the strand breaks. They also generate reactive oxygen species that damage the DNA. Single-stranded breaks are the most common, whereas the double-stranded breaks are rare. These ionizing radiations are capable of penetrating deep, and therefore they cause both somatic and germline mutations. Approximately 10% of all DNA damages caused by non-biological agents are because of UV or ionizing radiations.